Harbin Metro is the metro system of Harbin, the provincial capital of Heilongjiang Province in northeastern China. The system began operation on 26 September 2013 with the opening Line 1, which is 70.46 kilometers in length and has 70 stations in service. The system is undergoing expansion and is expected to have a total of 3 lines and 89.58 kilometers of track in service by 2018. In the winter time, the metro begins operation at 6 AM and the last train departs at 9 PM. Single ride and rechargeable fare cards may be purchased at ticket windows or automatic fare card machines in each station. The Line 1 is oriented along the east-west axis of the urban area of Harbin, from northeast, Harbin East Railway Station, to southwest, second affiliated hospital of Harbin Medical University. The museum station of Line 1 was not in operation as of 26 September 2013. The Line 3 is a circular line around the urban area of Harbin. The first phase consists of 5 stations. However, Chengxianglu and will not be in operation. After Line 1 Red, 2 more lines will open: Line 1 Violet from east to northwest with 17 stations and Circle Line 3 Orange with 32 stations. By 2020, as many as 5 lines with total length of 143 kilometers could be completed. Total number of stations is 21 and the system length is 22.92 kilometers.